Hello beauties, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making this remedy for you to delay any signs of menopause. Like, this is very important for you in case you're also in your menopause, as well help you to balance your hormone. So in case you are new, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. This is especially for you in case you want to get rid of those signs of menopause like hot flash, mood swing, dryness down there. So in case you have hormonal imbalance, this is just very important. If you have a prolonged menstrual flow, this is going to balance it and make it flow normally. So you want to know the ingredients I'm going to use here. You want to know how to prepare this remedy. Just keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. So let's go straight and show you how you can make this remedy that will make sure you balance your hormone. So we are going to make a remedy. Yes, as you can see the title, this remedy will help to delay menopause. It will help to balance hormone in case you have hormonal imbalance. Okay, so we have two herbs here which we are going to be using. So here we have fennel. So this is fennel, you can see it. This is how it is. Okay, you can get it in a bright green like this, or you can get it in a deep green. They are all the same. So fennel is very important. The seed contains phytoestrogens which aid in balancing hormones in women. Okay, it helps in treating hormonal issues like polycystic ovaries, which is PCOS, and helps also to treat thyroid problems, which stops you from conceiving. So this is just about balancing hormone, because it contains high amounts of phytoestrogen, which is responsible for balancing women hormone. So this is especially for women and it helps so much. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use it to make a tea. So what we have here is fenugreek. Here is fenugreek. This is how fenugreek is. You can get all these herbs from organic stores. You can get it from the local market. You can get it from supermarkets, and you can as well get it from online. So fenugreek is another one. The seed contains phytoestrogen as well, just like fennel, which balance estrogen in the body, helps in painful periods. If you have painful periods, if you have hormonal imbalance, it helps to balance it. It helps to calm all those painful periods of yours. It increases libido in women that don't have feelings. Like in case you have lost libido, yes, and you don't have any feeling at all during the acts. This is just specially for you because it's going to balance you, get rid of hot flashes that you experience during menopause. If you have all those early signs of menopause, like hot flash, mood swing, and the rest, dryness down there, this will help so much to repair you and make you not to be so dry and all that. For 1 glass cup, I'll be using half tablespoon of fenugreek seed, half tablespoon of fennel, just like this. So after mixing the two ingredients just like this, the next thing to do is to turn it into a powder. So I'll be transferring it into a blender just like this. Cover it and go blend it. I'll be right back. Transfer it into a bowl. So you need to pour in hot water into the bowl, about 2 glasses or 1. After that, you have to mix it very well. Take your time and mix it very well. You can use this once again. This is not a waste. So you can decide to boil this remedy instead of doing it this way. Just boil it and be drinking it from the pot. So this is how it is, looking so very tempting to drink. This is so very nutritious, very important for your body, full of antioxidants, full of phytoestrogen that will help to balance your hormone and keep you healthy inside. So right now it's really so hot. So what you have to do, you can just add a little honey into it. So what you have to do is to drink it 1 glass cup in the morning, 1 glass cup in the evening, 2 glasses a day, and you are all good. So if you want to sweeten it with honey, you can just go ahead and do so. Please do not add any sugar into this. So this is just very important for you to balance your hormone. Delay signs of aging. It will help to delay menopause, like stop those early signs of menopause. So this is going to make you to conceive also, because when your hormone is balanced, this will make you able to conceive faster, boost quality eggs, repair all your body system like your uterus. It helps in cleansing and repairing uterus. Your fallopian tube as well is going to repair you inside out. Okay, so that is all for now. If you want to make a large amount of this, just make it and store it in the flask to keep it warm. This remedy should be taken warm. Okay, this is not a waste, as I said earlier. You boil it using a pot and be using water from the pot, be taking it from the pot. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I will see you in my next video.